Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you want to format and publish your blog post by us, you may contact with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. This is the featured image displaying above the blog post. So today I will guide how you can add a featured image in your WordPress blog post. Firstly, I will guide for Gutenberg blog editor, after that classic editor. Okay. So I am going to edit this post. This is the Gutenberg editor interface. So if I want to change the featured image, firstly I have to click on the right side here, this post section. So click on this post section. After clicking, you will get this option to add image. Here I already added a image, so it's displaying my that image. So I am going to remove that image. Then you will see something like this. They are saying set featured image. So just click here. After that, it will take you to the media library. So you need to click on upload file. So click here. After that, click on select file. Select file, it will take you to your computer drive. Then I'm going to my desktop and I'm going to select this as my featured image. So open it, and after adding featured image or any kind of image, you must add the alt text. It's very helpful for the SEO purpose. So I'm going to add, and if you need to add any caption, you can add this here. So I don't need to add the caption right now. So after that, click on set featured image. So featured image already set here. So I'm going to save, then view post. You see, this is the featured image already I added. So it's displaying above the blog post. Now I will show you how you can add featured image on classic editor. I'm going to open the same post in classic editor. Edit with classic editor. I'm clicking here. After that, this post already opened in classic editor. So in classic editor, featured image section is little bit below. Like if I scroll down, you see it's showing here featured image. So click on set featured image. After that, same upload file, select file. I want to select this as a featured image. Previously I uploaded this one for Gutenberg block editor. Now I am uploading this one as classic editor. Same, I want to add the alt text for SEO purpose and set featured image. You see, it's already displaying here as a featured image. After that, update this post, view post. You see, featured image is displaying here perfectly. So by following this tutorial, you can easily add the featured image. And if you want to know how to create stylish featured image, you can watch my another tutorial. There I explained how to create eye-catchy featured image for your blog post. Okay, today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.